Have you ever wondered what happens when a tech titan declares war on the very organization he helped create? We're not talking about a movie plot. This is the real-life saga of Elon Musk versus OpenAI, a battle of ideals, egos, and a whole lot of money that could define the future of humanity. It all started with a shared dream. Back in 2015, a group of Silicon Valley's brightest minds, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman, came together with a noble mission. They wanted to build artificial general intelligence, or AGI, not for profit, but for the benefit of all humanity. They called their nonprofit research lab OpenAI. Their founding principle was clear: create safe AGI and ensure its power was concentrated in the hands of a few. Musk himself was one of the loudest voices warning about the potential dangers of unchecked AI, even comparing it to summoning the demon. He poured millions into OpenAI, believing it was the antidote to a dystopian future run by a monopolistic AI. But dreams can change, and so can organizations. For the first few years, OpenAI operated as a non-profit, publishing its research openly. Then, reality hit. Building truly powerful AI requires an astronomical amount of computing power and data, and that costs money. A lot of money. The nonprofit model was struggling to keep up with the insane costs of research and development. To survive and compete, a drastic change was needed. This is where the story takes a sharp turn. In 2019, OpenAI announced a radical restructuring. It created a new for-profit arm called OpenAI LP, with a capped profit model. This move was designed to attract massive investment while supposedly keeping the original nonprofit mission at its core. And who was the first major investor to jump in? Microsoft, with a stunning $1 billion investment. This partnership gave OpenAI the financial muscle it desperately needed. But for Elon Musk, it was a betrayal. He saw this as a move away from the open, nonprofit ethos they had started with. He had argued for a different path, but ultimately, he was outvoted. Shortly after, Musk left OpenAI's board, citing a potential conflict of interest with his own AI development at Tesla. But the rift was clearly deeper than that. The years that followed saw OpenAI's star rise meteorically. With Microsoft's backing, they released groundbreaking models like GPT-3, DALL-E, and then, the one that changed everything, ChatGPT. In late 2022, ChatGPT exploded onto the scene, and suddenly everyone was talking about AI. It became the fastest-growing consumer application in history. For Sam Altman and OpenAI, it was a monumental success. But for Elon Musk, it was the ultimate confirmation of his fears. The technology he had helped nurture was now part of a closed-source, for-profit venture, tightly integrated with one of the world's largest corporations. The demon he warned about was, in his eyes, being fed and groomed by his former allies. The tension that had been simmering for years finally boiled over. Musk began to publicly criticize OpenAI, accusing it of abandoning its founding mission. He claimed they had become a closed-source, maximum-profit company effectively controlled by Microsoft. He was furious that a technology with the potential to be more intelligent than humans was being developed behind closed doors, for commercial gain. He argued that the name OpenAI itself was now a lie, a deceptive piece of marketing for a secretive organization. The public spat escalated, with Musk taking jabs on his social media platform, X, and Altman defending his company's direction. The conflict reached a legal climax in early 2024. Elon Musk filed a bombshell lawsuit against OpenAI, Sam Altman, and its president, Greg Brockman. The lawsuit was a declaration of war. Musk accused them of breach of contract, claiming they had violated the original founding agreement to develop AGI for the benefit of humanity, not for profit. He argued that their latest and most powerful model, GPT-4, was not the open and beneficial AGI they promised, but a proprietary product designed to maximize profits for Microsoft. Musk's legal team demanded that OpenAI revert to its open-source principles and be prevented from monetizing AGI technology for the benefit of its executives or partners like Microsoft. It was a dramatic, high-stakes move to force OpenAI back to its original path. OpenAI didn't take this lying down. They fired back, publishing a blog post that included old emails from Musk himself. These emails, they claimed, showed that Musk was not only aware of the need to create a for-profit entity, but had actually championed the idea. They alleged that Musk wanted to merge OpenAI with Tesla, or even take absolute control himself, suggesting his departure was less about principles and more about power. They painted a picture of Musk wanting to be the sole leader and, when he didn't get his way, he left and decided to build his own AI competitor. This he said, she said battle played out in public, with each side trying to paint the other as the one who betrayed the original vision. So, who's right in this $100 billion war? The truth, as it often is complicated. Musk's supporters see him as a principled visionary, a lone warrior fighting to protect humanity from corporate greed and the dangers of a closed, monopolistic AI. They believe he is genuinely concerned about AI safety and that his lawsuit is a necessary last stand to hold OpenAI accountable to its founding mission. They point to the immense power of models like GPT-4 and argue that such technology should never be controlled by a single company. On the other hand, OpenAI's defenders, and many in the tech community, see Musk's actions as hypocritical. They argue that he's acting out of sour grapes and competitive jealousy. After all, Musk is now building his own AI company, xAI, with the goal of creating what he calls a maximum truth-seeking AI, named Grok. His critics ask, if he's so concerned about AI safety, why is he racing to build his own powerful AI? They argue that OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft was a pragmatic necessity to fund the incredibly expensive research needed to advance the field safely. They believe Sam Altman made a difficult but necessary choice to ensure OpenAI's survival and its ability to continue leading AI development. This isn't just a squabble between billionaires. The outcome of this conflict has profound implications for all of us. At the heart of it are fundamental questions about the future of artificial intelligence. Should AI be open source, developed transparently and accessible to everyone? Or is it safer in the hands of a few well-resourced but closed organizations that can control its development? The open source path promotes collaboration and prevents monopolies, but it also risks misuse by bad actors. The closed source path allows for more control and potentially safer deployment, but it concentrates immense power and wealth in the hands of a few. The Musk versus OpenAI saga is more than just a legal battle. It's a philosophical one. It's a fight over the soul of artificial intelligence. As these giants clash, the future of AI hangs in the balance. Will it be an open, democratized tool for all, or a proprietary, powerful technology controlled by a select few? The world is watching, because the winner of this war won't just walk away with money or bragging rights. They will shape the direction of the most transformative technology of our lifetime. What do you think? Is Musk the hero of this story? Or is he just trying to get a piece of the pie? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this deep dive interesting, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next story. See you in the next one.